Have a good day to all of you, my beloved followers. I'm back to share another video that I'm sure you'll learn something. If you are interested in this kind of content and if you have just watched my video for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification bell and then select all to notify you of my next videos.
Okay guys, I'm back to share another tutorial that I'm sure you can learn a lot from, especially those who are new to coding, because in this video I will teach you how to code an alert dialog in Java just by using this AD application tool on your Android devices. Okay, just follow me in what I will do. Let me start with the layout first. I'll just put a button for the alert dialog. After I put the button on the layout, here we're in Java coding guys. Okay, so here let's put a functional button I made, which is the alert dialog.
That's all guys in this video. I hope this video helps and I hope you learned something somehow. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're watching my channel for the first time. Please like this video too because you'll have more to look forward to in my next videos. Thank you very much for watching.